Now we're going to do some chest stretches. Palms out, back and forth. Feel free to hit whoever you want. All right. Now, if you love ice cream, everybody say, I love you, ice cream. If you love pizza, say, I love you, pizza. If you love yourself, give yourself a hug, say, I love you, me. All right, now we're going to get weird. Okay, so who here has ever heard of energy work? Who here has ever heard of REIKI, R-E-I-K-I? So I'm actually going to teach you how to do some energy work. Feel free to try it or not. It's totally up to you. So take your hands like this. We're going to rub our hands together. Rub your hands together. What do you feel? Heat, friction. Awesome. Now, cup your hands and pull your hands apart like this. And just hang out. And see if you feel something in between your hands. Does anybody feel anything? All right, let's try it again. Rub your hands together, rub your hands together, rub your hands together. Also, notice your mind. And notice your mind might start getting in the way to start telling you you can't feel anything even though you start feeling something. So pull your hands apart like this. Who here feels anything in between their hands? Like there's energy flowing back and forth? Okay, awesome. Now try to pull it apart a little bit more and see if it takes the shape of your hands. Who here can feel it? Nod your head, like don't raise your hand. Okay, cool. Who can't feel it? Shake your head like that. All right, cool. I'll just ignore you. That's fine. Okay, cool. All right, now rub your hands one more time. Pull your hands apart and give yourself an energy hug. Everyone say, I love you, me. And now we're going to rub our hands together, pull your hands apart, and give your belly an energy hug. Say, I love you, belly. Now, the reason why this is important is because if you tell your kids to hug themselves, and most of the kids do this, and then you have one kid that goes, consider that kid may not have love for themselves. If they don't have love for themselves, maybe somewhere they were taught that they're not lovable. Have you ever had a friend of yours, and by the way, if I start talking about this person, they're standing right next to you, don't like that or just do whatever you want. Have you ever had a friend that cannot stay in a relationship because you know that, wow, she literally went right up to that person, just went, he's talking about you, psst, pay attention. Okay. Wow, it's okay. We'll find you somebody. Okay. So, any single, okay, anyway. So what happens is this person doesn't love themselves, or they have figured out, like they've been programmed that they're not lovable. Then all of a sudden they start dating somebody, and that person starts to love them and start showing them affection. And they're in their mind, they're like, I'm not lovable. Why are you loving me? You're going to eventually break up with me. And then they end up dumping that person instead of actually staying because they don't believe like they're loved. And all of a sudden say, how come I can't stay in a relationship? Anybody like that? So if you teach your kids to have self-love, to give themselves hugs, they're going to feel that energy from them. Does that make sense? Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.